तो चलिए अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर। 1, 2, 3, स्टार्ट। This constitution bench has been constituted to consider questions of seminal importance relating to contours and extent of special provisions for the advancement of socially and educationally backward class (SEBC) of citizens as contemplated under Article 15 (4) and contours and extent of provisions of reservation in favor of the backward class (BC) citizens under Article 16 (4) of the Constitution of India. Stop. The challenge or interpretation of the 102nd Constitution Amendment Act 2018 is also up for consideration. Stop. Para. The High Court by the impugned judgment upheld Act 2018 except to the extent of quantum of reservation provided under Act. Stop. Para. While issuing notice, a 3-judge bench of this court directed that the action taken pursuant to the impugned judgment of the High Court shall be subject to the result of the SLP. Stop. It was made clear that the judgment of the High Court and the reservation in question shall not have any retrospective effect. Stop. Para. The learned counsel for the parties has made elaborate submissions in all the appeals as well as the writ petitions filed under Article 32. Stop. Para. After appeals being referred to a larger bench by order dated 9/9/2020, Honorable the Chief Justice of India has constituted this Constitution bench before whom these appeals and writ petitions are listed. Stop. Para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties, this Constitution bench passed an order on 8/3/2021 for issuing notice to all the states. Stop. The bench further directed the states to file brief notes of their submissions. Stop. Para. The values impose a positive duty on the state to ensure their attainment as far as they are practicable. Stop. The rights, liberties, and freedoms of the individual are not only to be protected against the state, but they should be facilitated by it. Stop. They are to be informed. Stop. Overarching and informing of these rights and values is the principle of human dignity under the Basic Law of Germany. Stop. Para. Similarly, secularism is a principle which is the overarching principle of several rights and values under the Indian Constitution. Stop. Therefore, axioms like secularism, democracy, reasonableness, social justice, etc. are overarching principles which provide linking factor for principle of fundamental rights like Articles 14 and 19. Stop. These principles are beyond amending power of Parliament. Stop. Para. Learned counsel argued that the original constitution had set apart the power to identify SCs and STs and conferred it upon the president, and after which an amendment could be carried out by the parliament. Stop. However, such a power was advisably retained with the executive and legislature so far as the states were concerned. Stop. Para. The deprivation of the power of states strikes at the root of its jurisdiction to ensure that its residents get suitable welfare measures in the form of scheme applicable to SEBCs as well as reservations. Stop. Para. The Maharashtra State Reservation for Socially and Educationally Backward Classes SEBC Act 2018 as amended in 2019 granting 12% and 13% reservation for Maratha community in addition to 50% social reservation is not covered by exceptional circumstances as contemplated by Constitution Bench in Indira Sahni's case. Stop.